Is Magic Earth ripping you off in 2026, or is it actually one of the best navigation apps out there? Let's break it down honestly, because I know the sudden change has left a lot of people feeling, well, kind of scammed. Magic Earth for years was my go-to privacy-first navigation app. No creepy tracking, no ads, no data selling. But in the last year, things have changed a lot. The company behind it, General Magic, is absolutely legit. They've been at this for over a decade. But now, features that used to be free, like offline maps, real-time traffic, even advanced voice guidance, are locked behind a 20-a-year subscription. And if you're in Europe, it's about $15. That's a huge jump from their old symbolic $1 fee. And yeah, if you bought a so-called perpetual license before, sorry, you might be locked out of updates unless you pay again. Understandably, a ton of longtime users are upset and tossing around the word scam in reviews. But let's be real. This isn't fraud, it's just a frustrating shift to a freemium model. And honestly, the rollout was not great. So, what do you still get for free? Standard map browsing in 2D or 3D and basic online navigation. No account needed and still no personal data sold. But if you want offline maps, which used to be the main draw, now you have to pay. And after a big redesign, some users say the app feels laggy and harder to read. Let's talk alternatives. If you want a truly free open-source option, check out Organic Maps or Osmand. They're not as pretty, but they will never surprise you with a subscription screen. Bottom line, Magic Earth is still legit, and privacy-wise, it's ahead of most competitors. But if you hate subscriptions, it might be time to move on. Let me know. Are you sticking with Magic Earth or making the switch?